Hey gang, welcome to another episode of our show. And today we have my nephew. We just call him 5 because everybody in my family chose the same name, so we just started numbering at one point. So 5, what do you want to do today on the Mighty TA?
Well, let's see if we can get this thing running right.
Alright, let's get the thing running. There in the chair, so I pull with this.
We ain't got no leaks up here that I see, so.
Alright, connect the battery, fire it up and see what kind of is it on?
Yeah, kinda. Put it all the way on.
Is it on tight? It's not going to zap you, it's just a little sparky spark. I lost everything.
Yeah, I think it's catching on the starter too much, so I was sorting it out.
Yeah, but I lost everything. The buzzer's not on anything, everything. Pull the positive off, plug it back in. Put it back on. Alright, now I got stuff. And then I lose everything.
I think the I think the dipstick's shortening out now.
So see, now I got lights. No lights, lights. We just had this thing running. Alright, it's frying too much. Go ahead and pull the battery off.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
We gotta find out that dipstick issue.
Yeah, so we're gonna try putting it up on some ramps. Try getting underneath there, see what we can come up with.
Alright, so I guess we're gonna forego the brakes and do the dipstick today.
You never get to do what you want to do. I can get this thing in the right angle to show you where it's hitting at. There it is. That's where we're catching at.
You recording that?
It's been recording this whole time.
Watch your language, and I gotta edit all your swear words out.
I don't give a f.
You know you're making me...
Just
I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing that.
Actually...
No, you're not going to believe what I just discovered.
What?
Hand me my phone. That is a engine block bolt. That is a motor mount bolt. That looks like that's been torqued to spec. What do you think? Go ahead and move it again.
It was way back there. You get nothing. That's not going to move and make me look stupid. I want you to get right there.
Woo!
That's where it touches at.
What? Not yet.
You mother! You mother! You know what? I'm out.
Hey!
Alright, let's get serious.
Alright, so we're taking this slitted tube, or sliced tube, and we're shoving it on the dipstick tube so it doesn't arc out on the starter anymore. Alright, that ought to do it. Go ahead, hit the key. Alright, so we put the rubber sleeve on the dipstick tube. The dipstick tube is a little bit more firm. It's holding in place. Alright, so that should be good.
Time for lunch?
I think it's time for lunch. Let's go to lunch. Ah, it's my finger.
Well, move your finger like up against the thing.
Well, if it goes up against the thing, it's going to pop off the thing.
No, it's not.
seems to be much better placed. We got that in place. We tightened down the motor mount.
Put some water in it.
Yeah, we got some water in it. So she should be good. We topped off the brake fluid, so we're trying to find that brake leak. So the only way to do it is do a test run. Take her up and down the street a few times. Who's going to do it, me or you?
Rock, paper, scissors.
I'm going to do it. What?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper. All right, rock, paper, scissors.
Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I always lose.
It's time to ride.
Okay, you're just taking it up and down the street. Okay? Fire it up! Look at this marks. I told her she wasn't going to make any marks in front of the house. These have got to be, what, 200 feet long?
Sorry.
Don't apologize. They apologize to the lady died.
Sorry, lady died.
All right, your penance, you got to wash the car. Pull it in and wash the car.
Fine.
Roll the windows up before you wash it. Hey, you're the one that did the burnouts. Kids. turn to do a little tire spinny. So
I still did better.
I didn't do it in front of the house.
I got forgiveness for that.
Yes. All right, so it's that magical time of the week. We get to mark, what, 2 things off the list?
Dipstick. Brakes need to be working decent.
But I still want to replace this booster. I still want to replace this line. So, and we actually fixed something that wasn't on the list. Who puts an engine in a car and doesn't tighten down the engine mount bolt?
Yeah. So
we got that taken care of, so that's one less thing. So, hit me with that pen. That's right. We get to mark off the dipsticks. What else did we do?
you might want to write on there engine mount to cross that off.
Engine, that's just an engravement, engine bolt, and that's done. Then you do marker. This marker's dying. So,
We also.
oh, wait a minute. You adjusted the seat.
Oh,
I can
yeah.
fit in the car now. But still, we need to pull it out to do the floor, so hopefully next week we'll do something else. Oh, wait, next week, license plates. So we can go for a little bit longer road trips. We go up and down the street here because we know how heavily patrolled this street isn't. So, cameraman, take your pen back. Good catch. He actually caught it.
You did.
So, as always, keep the blue side up. Oh wait, that's the wrong channel. Take care, brush your hair. No, that was another one. What do I always end the show with?
We'll see you guys next week.
Like, subscribe, tell your friends.
Tell your friends.
Tell your friends. Sebastian, what do you say?
Tell your enemies too.
Tell your enemies too. Okay, so let's roll that beautiful time-lapse footage while we close the show.